Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share crucial tips on how to draw soft and realistic hair, how to make each strand look natural and clean. I'll also talk about some common mistakes and how to fix them, like why your light strands don't show up the way you want. The first thing you need to do is group hair based on its direction. Real hair usually falls in groups, so you should define those first. That way, you'll know which way to shade. In this drawing, I'm working with dark hair, and I like to use graphite pencils for it. So I start to find the group using darker graphite pencils. Try to build up the groups by drawing strands. Draw them in correct direction. You can also use a brush for this step. If you plan to use an eraser later to create highlights, don't go too dark. Especially not too heavy pressure, otherwise you won't be able to leave the graphite and make highlights. For example, here, I'm darkening this area using a brush. That way I can shade softly without damaging paper. The hair on this side is lighter, so I'm using a softer pencil and adjusting the pressure depending on the value. Make sure your pencil tip stays sharp, unless you're going for soft lines. I don't really need an eraser here, because I left the light areas lighter. But if you do, you can use an eraser pen to pull out fine white strands. Hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. It really helps me out.